Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to make Google form public but not editable. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your Google Forms and just simply select one of your forms. And now from here, just simply go for the settings on the top over here. And now you should be able to have here responses. So just simply click on this icon over here, the arrow pointing downward, and you will have your multiple options. And you will have this one, allow response editing. So guys, responses can be changed after being submitted. So turn this off. And from here, you could limit to one response as well over here. And now after that, just make sure to go to the publish over here, the top right corner guys, to save the changes. And from here, just simply click on save. So now from here, I'm gonna go click on this one, copy responder link, and click on copy. And I'm gonna try it out. And from here, let's say I'm gonna put a random names. I'm just gonna fill this out, guys. And once you have filled it up, just simply click on submit. And from here, as you can see, it will show something like this. And after that, it will not be editable anymore. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.